Okay, welcome back. Now, oops. Okay, so here we go. We've got an example. Now notice that this is a quotient, so automatically I'm thinking quotient rule, okay? I could use the product rule here and split this up as a product, but why do that when it's a quotient? And I could just use the quotient rule. So let's say we want to find k prime of x. And so the quotient rule, remember, it's low d high minus high d low over low squared. So low first. So it's 4x plus 3 times d high. So low d high. So the derivative of the top, which is going to be what? In this case, it's going to be 10x minus. Now, here's why it's really important to get the order right. Because if you put the order, if you accidentally switch these, the subtraction is not the same. Remember, the commutative property does not apply to subtraction. So, it's very important that you know the pattern or you know the formula. Okay, so it's low d high minus high d low. So it's going to be high and then times d low, the derivative of the bottom, which is going to be 4, right? This is a constant, this goes to 0, this is 4x, x goes to 1, and you have just 4. Okay, now it's going to be over low squared, or the bottom squared, so it's going to be 4x plus 3 squared. Now, most of the time, we do not want to expand this out, okay? Because most of the time, this will cancel with something in the top. Okay, so hold off from expanding this right now, okay? Because most of the time we'll end up with a polynomial on the bottom when we simplify this thing that we're going to factor, and we'll see if one of the factors of this thing here. And plus, the key is you usually want to have this in factored form anyway, okay? So, leave this the way it is. So now it's going to be simplifying time. So I'm going to simplify this. So I'm going to expand. This is going to be 40x squared plus 30x minus 20x squared over 4x plus 3 squared. Okay? And keep going. We get 20x squared plus 30x over 4x plus 3 squared. And now what happens here, let's see, we got a greatest common factor in the top. We can factor out a 10x. Okay, so let's see what we get here. So we get 10x times 2x squared plus 3 over 4x plus 3 quantities squared. And I believe that's it. We can't simplify it any further. So nothing cancels. So since nothing cancels here, we could just leave it as either this, or if you want to leave it in factored form, that's fine. I don't care. Okay. In fact, I'm more partial to this, but this is, if you left it like that, it's okay. The only reason I wouldn't leave it like this is, again, like I said, you might be able to factor one of these 4x plus 3's in the bottom. Okay? Okay, that's it. So practice, it's the same thing. I'm not going to do another example. It's just applying the rule over and over and over and over again. Okay? Have a great day.